Hello everyone, my name is Gina and welcome to Seasoned Beauties. Okay, yes, I'm in the same stuff. Before I could even get in the house, I got another package. So we're gonna go ahead and do that one and then get out of this heat because it is getting warmer by the moment. Okay. Today, as you saw from our title, we will be unboxing our ice cream beauty box, okay? Not to be confused with its little sister of the bag. This one is the box. For those of you who are not familiar with it, all of the information will be down below, okay? Now, this one right here is a box. It's a box, y'all, okay? $25 is what the going price is for this monthly subscription. 5 full-size products, sometimes more, okay? Now, this one is not necessarily a skincare box, but from time to time we do get items to help with our complexion or moisturizers, things like that. Okay, so without further ado, we're going to jump in and see what's inside this month's box. Okay, so when we open it up, this is what it looks like. All right, now this description card gives us the information about all the items that are in the box and the cost. Okay, so let's see. The very first item that we're going to open is this one is the Hydro Matte Liquid Lipstick, okay? And this is in the shade Honeymoon. It says fall in love all over again with this liquid lipstick in the shade Honeymoon, a dusty rose shade that captures the bliss and beauty of eternal romance on your lips. This formula transforms from liquid to a flawless matte finish within minutes, promising long-lasting wear that defies the need for touch-ups. Say hello to endless kisses and goodbye to constant mirror checks, okay? The manufacturer suggested retail price is $20. And of course, this is what the outside packaging looks like. And this product is a 0.085 ounce size. And it says it is long wear, and it is, let's see, a cruelty-free product. Let's see if we can find a shelf life, okay? And this one has a 12-month shelf life, okay? This is a beautiful color. Y'all know we do swatches at the end. I really want to put this one on now, but I'm going to go ahead and wait until the end, okay? So this is item number 1. Then the next item we have is by Appeal Cosmetics, and it's this one right here. And this is a gel liner, and it says this gel liner is safe to be used as an eyeliner or a lip liner. The shades that we chose are meant to complete the look, but can be used for eye or lip. This can be sharpened with any makeup sharpener. And the manufacturer suggested retail price is $21. Can you see that? Okay, and the shade we have is Forest Green, okay? And this one is a, let's see, 0.05 ounce size. So I was checking for the shelf life, which is 24 months, but I have to tell you, the first ingredient on this liner I love. It says it's squalene. Love, love, love that. Anybody who is familiar with that product, it is amazing for the skin, okay? Then the next item that we have is by the company Delancey, okay? And this one is this item right here, and this is a holographic duochrome highlighter, okay? And this says, this is a shifty highlighter that is meant to add an ethereal glow to your complexion. While these may seem a bit intimidating at first, it's important to note that the duochrome effect only reveals itself under certain lighting conditions. The color is almost invisible at first, only to reveal a hidden pop of color. This can also be used as an eyeshadow or highlight the inner corner and brow bone. The manufacturer's suggested retail price is $20, okay? And it says this is a cruelty-free product, and it has a 12-month shelf life, okay? Let's see. It says the shade we have is number 2, and this is what it looks like. Boy, that's gorgeous. Right through the packaging, okay? Right through the packaging. Gorgeous. It's called, the actual name of it is Diamond. Okay, it is a 3.3 gram or 0.12 ounce size. All right, beautiful. I really don't want to open this one because I have so many highlighters. I would love to put it in a giveaway. Okay, so I'm not going to open it. Under normal circumstances I would, but I'm going to put it back in the packaging so that it can go into a giveaway for one of you. Okay, so that one is item number 3. Now let's keep moving. The next one that we have, oh, this is right on time. This one is by ZEEZA Cosmetics, and it says, oh, ZEEZA Cosmetics and the British Museum. And it says this is an SPF 50 moisturizing primer. Let me say that again. A SPF 50 moisturizing primer. Can you say thank you? Okay, summer is truly here. And it says an SPF it says an SPF 50 primer is a must-have summer beauty product that combines the benefits of sun protection with the perfect base for makeup application. This lightweight and non-greasy formula offers high broad spectrum protection against both UVA and UVB rays, helping to prevent sunburn and skin damage. It can be used on its own or under makeup. It's a hydrating, and it is hydrating and will not clog your pores. Okay, I am so here for this. Okay, well, it doesn't really give us any information in English on the box. Everything is in a whole other language, okay? So let's just go ahead and take out the product, which looks like this, okay? So it doesn't really give us any more information other than to say that this is a 40-gram size, okay? And it does have a pinhole application, so, or dispenser top. Okay, and on the bottom it says it expires April 26, 2025. So we have a whole year to use up this primer. Okay, so that one is item number 4. We're down to the last item in here, and this one is too cute. Okay, just too cute. All right, and this one is by the company Sugar Drizzle Cosmetics. Okay, look at that. Tell me that's not cute. All right, and this is the Plumera Dragon palette. All right, and this is for the first time ever we are introducing Sugar Drizzle Cosmetics to our boxes. This 12-pan palette is a fun and vibrant collection of eyeshadows, perfect for creating both soft and bold looks. The palette features an adorable cover. Okay, my apologies. I told y'all it was hot out here, right? Well, I didn't even realize that my camera had overheated, okay? So it shut off. So that prevented you from seeing me show you the shades. Now, it does have a full mirror, so I had to cover it, okay? And they're beautiful, first of all. All right. Now, I swatched 3 of the shades. I also, as you can tell, put on the lippy. Okay. I did, however, I needed some liner on it, so I used my Amuse Cola lip liner. Okay, I know that's a long pencil, but I just got that one in one of their boxes, by the way. Okay, and so this is what the lippy looks like. This is what the 3 shades. This one is Dragon's Breath on the top. This one here is the Plumera Dragon, and the one on the bottom is Dragon Egg. What do you think? Absolutely gorgeous, right? Absolutely, of course. And then I also swatched the eyeliner, okay, which they said can be used as an eyeliner or lip liner, your choice. Okay, so there you go. All right, so what do you think? All right, I also have to tell you, I took a look at my face to make sure my makeup wasn't running all over the place and me looking crazy, right? I have to tell you, this primer that I am using is fantastic. Right now, it is 86 degrees outside. With a heat index, it's feeling like it's 92, okay? And this has not moved. I can feel the sweat. However, my makeup is not running. I am so here for this, okay? If you would like to hear more about that, just in the description box, in the comment section down below, just note primer, and I will give you a video about this primer, okay? So, what do you think? Are you a subscriber of the Ice Cream Beauty Box? If not, what do you think, and what are you waiting for? $25, and we have over $100 worth of product. You'll know exactly how much in just a moment, okay? Now, I just want to tell you that I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we unbox the June Ice Cream Beauty Box. These are the items that were included. Down below is the total manufacturer suggested retail price for everything that was enclosed. All right, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Become a part of the Seasoned Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you, and you know it's free to join. Come on over, okay? Now make sure you share this video with someone who you think would love and appreciate a box like this at a cost like this, okay? Now, most of all, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.